robot, period.
What am I, racing dogs now?
Are you ready to face the peak of robotic athleticism?
Let's go!
Humanity is resting in Noel Lau's legs. All the competitors and all their efforts, all their successes and disappointments come down to this final race.
For humanity!
Ready, set. He's off.
Oh, the robot's fast!
Go, Black Panther! Go!
It's right behind you!
Oh, it's catching up.
No, might lose!
Whoa, hey, low-key, that robot was a little scary.
Humanity wins!
One day, robots will overtake us, but in 2025, humans still have an edge.
Humanity is saved once again.
Robots are not better than us, at least not yet.